Let's talk about making a sandwich. What do we need to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Bread, peanut butter, jelly. What else do we need? What are the steps to making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Wash your hands. Take out the bread. Spread the peanut butter on the bread. Spread the jelly or jam on the bread. Put the sandwich together and slice into 2 pieces. Eat the sandwich. What other sandwiches do you like to eat? What do you like to eat with your sandwich? Keywords to learn.